Hello friends, this is Shakeel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to give some brief introduction about a powerful AI tool called Canva. So the address of the website is, as I previously told you, canva.com. So what we can do with, there are a lot of options in this software. So I will tell you what we can do with it. We can create social media posts just like in Instagram, Facebook, uh, X. We can create sheets, Excel sheets. We can create documents. We can create whiteboards. It is mainly used for those who are in the teaching line. We can make presentations, PowerPoint presentations. We can make social media posts. uh, we can It is also used as the video editor. We can edit our videos through this software. We can also create printables. We can create invoices. We can make resumes. We can create logos, and we can create logos for the mugs, for the t-shirts, and so lot of options are there. We can generate our voice also. We can upload our photographs in it, and then we can modify it. So today I am going to give you some introduction. I am practically going to show you uh, what we can uh, what we can do with the help of this software. So stay tuned. I am going to show you. Thank you. Hello friends, this is Shakeel. So today I want to give you the brief introduction about a powerful AI tool called Canva. So first of all, I have opened the Chrome. I will type here canva.com. Okay, so the website will open here like this. So these are the options: in Instagram post, mobile video, social media, photo editor, video, where this is the Excel sheets we can create. We can make presentation, and these are the printables. Suppose here I want to create a post regarding Diwali offer. I will write here Diwali offer. Okay, and then I will press this arrow, so it will display all the templates regarding the Diwali offer. So the templates having crown sign, it is called the pro version, that is paid. So others are the free. So suppose I will use this one, Diwali Dhamaka. I will select this one, and it will appear here like this. And I can do any modification here. I can change the font size. I can suppose I want to copy it. I can copy it. I want to copy the style. I can paste it also. I can delete it also. These are the options. Okay, I can lock it also. After modification I can lock it. Okay, suppose now I want to make here some modification. I want to change the font size. I will go here on the fonts, and it will increase the font size. Suppose it will increase here. And suppose I want to change the font style, I will go here, and I will edit here, and it is a paid version also. I cannot do it. And suppose I want to make it 60%, so I can first delete it, then I can write here 60 60%. I will go choose here, and then I have to choose the sign percentage also. Okay, I will choose less percentage. Okay, so I have get after it. Before it was 50, now I changed it to 50 to 60. Okay, so here also I can change the font also. I can change this festival offer. I can, suppose I want to change it, I can write the festival offer. I will delete it. I will write here festival, FESTIVAL. Okay, festival, FESTI, festival. Okay, I have changed it If suppose I want to change the color, the colors are also, I can also change the color also. I can change the color. I will tell you. Suppose I want to change the color like this, the color has also been changed. So I can do anything. Then also I can save it. Suppose I want to save it, I already told you I can save it, I can lock it, and then I can uh, suppose I want to, I have to lock it because I have make the modifications. Then I can these are the comments. Then I will go here. Then I can download this. Okay, so it is the size, it will be saved as the png. So this is the size. If I will say download, I will click on the download and preparing your design, so it has been downloaded. Okay, now I can share this. It has been downloaded. Each file is downloaded, so it has been downloaded. If I will open it, so it has been downloaded. Okay, so there are a lot of options what I can do here. I can change anything. So I will go back. So these are the templates. Suppose I want to make a resume. I will write here RESU resume, and then I will press the search. Okay, so it will display the resume. So okay, these are all templates. This is the pro version, that is, it is the paid, and the others are free. I will select this one, and you can see the resume will appear. Okay, then I can change it. I can say download it, then I can change it accordingly. I can change the text, I can upload it, I can, so I can, whatever change I want to do, I can do it. Okay, so this is the resume. Now I will go back. Now suppose I want to create a invoice. Okay, I will type invoice, search for invoice. So it will display all the invoices. These are the invoices. So I have to select which one. Anyway, suppose I will select this one. Okay, this is the invoice. Here I can make the modification also. I can change it because this is the pro version. Suppose I will select another one which is free. I will write here resume, RES. Sorry, I will write here invoice. I will write here search for invoice. Okay, so it will display the invoices. I will take the free one, so I will take this one. Okay, so it will display the invoice. I can change it accordingly. I can build it to, I can change it whatever change I would like. I can change it. I can select this and I can change it whatever I like. I can change it accordingly. I can change it. Invoice to so whatever change I would like, I can save it. I can do it. So these are the some options that I showed you. This is the templates. These are all templates. Suppose I want to create a poster. Okay, search for the poster. I will go here, and all the posters will appear here. Karwa charts. Suppose I will select the Karwa charts celebrations. It is the poster here. Then same procedure is I can change it. I can save it. I can download it. I can share it to anybody. I can edit it also. If I will go to the edit mode, I can edit it also. Okay, so I can do anything here. I can comment it, I can delete it, I can make the copy, I can paste it. So these are the all things what I can whatever I can do here, anything. So I have given you the brief introduction, whatever we can do here. We can make the social media posts. We can also add a music to the video. Suppose I will select here video. Okay, I will search for the video, so all the videos will appear here. Suppose I select this one, and this is the video, you can see it, and I will play it like this. Now suppose I want to add a music to it. I can also add a music. I will go to the add audio option. I will go on the waves. Okay, now I will. Okay, so I can add here another video. If I will go to the plus sign, so these are, I can delete this video, I can make duplicate, I can split it also, I can increase the volume also. If I will go increase, I can increase the volume. Now I will show you what will happen. I have increased the volume. Now I will again play. Look, the volume has been increased. Okay, so I have given you the little bit introduction what is Canva. So this, there are a lot of options in it, because it will, the video will be very long and it will take long time. I will make the part 2 of this. So I will tell you how we can design with our own knowledge. How can we design a wedding card, how can we design a poster, how can we design our resume. So anything with myself, because these were the already were these posters where these templates were already there. So in the next part I will show you all those things. So I hope you liked the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank